Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use keyframes in CapCut. It's really simple and easy. So let's say this is the video I am editing here. Now how we should use keyframes. Let's say I am going for this stickers here. Tap on these stickers and then go for these arrows here, and I'm going to choose this arrow here. So tap on this arrow, tap on this check mark. Now let's say this is the arrow here. In starting, this arrow will be here, and in ending I want this arrow here. So how I can do that? With keyframes. So select this arrow, tap on these keyframes, just go to the end of your video and then drag your arrow above. Now if you play your video, you will see this kind of results. So that's how you can use keyframes in your video. You can place things, you can animate things through keyframes in CapCut. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.